And that's the thing right there, though, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, the whole appeal. You gotta look good, bro. You gotta look good. You know what I'm saying? Like, it be a lot of niggas to be like, yo, bro, we about to hit this, we about to hit that. I just look at the niggas up and down like, nah, I'm good. No offense. It's just that I'm looking at y'all niggas. Y'all niggas wearing that? Nah, I'm good. I'm gonna get all the motherfucking attention just for the simple fact I'm about to be clean. Not saying that y'all niggas is not, but nigga, y'all niggas need to iron y'all shoes up and shit. Y'all niggas shit folded. You know what I'm saying? For real. Niggas shit be sitting sideways. Put some air in that tire, nigga. You know what I mean? Like, if I step out, bro, a motherfucker's gonna look at me.
Shit, that's if you want to be crispy, ispy. You know what I'm saying?
It's not even that.
You keep yourself together, man.
Yeah.
No doubt.
Now, look, I have my moments to where I'll be cavemaned up, but that's because I'm trying to grow my shit in. You know what I'm saying? Like, I could be a caveman, but I'ma still have somebody looking at me. You know why? Because I'm in that uniform, nigga. I'm working, nigga. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. I'm gonna look good regardless. If I'm working on some shit and my hands dirty, I still look good.
Bullshit.
Shit, nigga.
Say you working on some plumbing, nigga.
Let me tell you something, nigga. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Hold on. You said working on anything.
Go ahead.
Plumbing. You gonna rock some crispy, ispy shit, or you gonna put on some shit that...
I'm not
Come on now.
I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about I'm gonna look good. Not saying crispy.
You talking about...
Ain't no way in the fuck I'm gonna be wearing an all white fit and I gotta do some plumbing. I'm cutting grass in some brand new Jordans. What? I have shoveled snow in some brand new 12s though. I have did that. I had some all white 12s. The nigga Cuddy pulled up on me. Hey, Cut. The nigga Cuddy pulled up on me and rolled the window down like, nigga, you shoveling snow in some motherfucking 12s? I don't give a fuck about these shoes, nigga. And I just came home. Like, I don't give a fuck about these shoes. And they said, he tripping. All white 12s, nigga. I'm shoveling snow. But that's what I'm saying, though. Like, nigga, you gotta look good. You gotta smell good, too. Women like that shit, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I mean, don't...
Hey. I had that shit on lock.
Facts. So when it be certain niggas like, yo, we about to hang out, we about to do this and that, like, nigga, y'all niggas ain't hit that hair, I'm straight. Man. I mean, if your shit is low cut, brush that shit. You talking about stepping out, nigga, brush that shit. If you can't brush it, comb that shit. If you can't comb it, pick that shit. If you can't pick it, we ain't going nowhere, nigga. Yeah, and another thing, nigga, when I be stepping out, dog, I'm riding alone. You feel me? I ride alone. You know why? Because I might take something home, nigga. I might take something home. I'm not about to pile up with no niggas. What? For one, nigga, that draw attention. Hey, look. You may be the nigga that you gotta have a whole bunch of niggas with you. Why you gotta have a bunch of niggas with you? And everybody got guns. Y'all get pulled over, everybody going to jail.
Or whatever else you got on you, nigga.
Hey, I don't give a fuck if niggas do got their license. Why the fuck is there so many guns in the car? And it's one car. 7 niggas. 7 niggas in one car. 13 guns.
What's y'all niggas on?
Hey, look. It's 12 Drakes, nigga. It's 12 Drakes in one piece. And a stolen Kia. The fuck is wrong with y'all niggas, man? Come on now, dog. Like, nigga, I'm riding by myself. By myself, nigga. My
solo.
Shit. I'm solo. You think I'm solo. I ain't solo, nigga. Either that bitch on my hip or that bitch in the trunk. But I ain't solo. Nigga. And I don't really... And look.
I was like that, nigga. I still am.
Gotta be.
At school, niggas do not know. Like, I be like... They be like, hey, look. Hell no, you ain't getting one of mine. Nigga, these my shits. I had that shit. Still do, bro.
Just like me, nigga.
I didn't need a lot of motherfuckers around, though.
You don't.
You be solo. You be good.
You don't. Yo, I don't need a lot of motherfuckers to have fun.
Hell no.
I don't need a lot of motherfuckers to have fun. I can have fun by myself. You know? I don't need... Oh, I ain't got to follow in suit no motherfucking body. I don't give a fuck what y'all doing over there. Just because y'all doing it, I don't gotta do that shit. Just cause they watching that shit, I gotta watch. I gotta watch that shit. Fuck out of here, you follower.
I check that shit out when I check it out.
Yeah, I'll give it a shot. More than likely, some shit I probably already fucking seen. You know what I mean? Like, huh? I don't get it, bro. A lot of motherfuckers are following suit, dog. Like, that's the shit. You gotta follow in suit. I still ain't seen Empire. I don't know shit about Power. I only seen BMF because motherfuckers was watching this shit. I don't watch TV, nigga. That shit's bullshit.
You seen the documentary on that shit?
Yeah, I seen the documentary, yo.
Yeah, I'll look at the real shit.
I'm just saying, though, everybody be talking about the shit. Yo, I got other shit to do than sit up and watch TV all fucking day. You know what I'm saying? I got other shit to do. I'm sorry. I got other shit to do. Can you tell me what happened in Ghost? Who the fuck is Ghost? I'm about to go Ghost. I'm about to go Ghost. Get the fuck on. I don't give a fuck what's happening out here. What? I ain't missing shit. Next time you see me, you gonna be like, what the yeah. Like, look, a nigga was a clump not too long ago. A nigga went Ghost. Nigga like, what the fuck? This nigga got braids. This nigga lost weight. What the fuck you been on, nigga? Huh?
All that shit.
I got Ghost, nigga. Got to focusing on myself, nigga. And got me some money, nigga. My profile so motherfucking low key, bro. You gotta keep that mysterious shit. Bitches love that shit. One little chick was like, "You so mysterious. Like, I like that. That's good. I don't want you to really know who the fuck I am. I don't even know who the fuck I really am." You know what I'm saying?
You gotta know who you is.
Hell yeah, nigga. I had me a little chick from Chicago and shit. She was on some shit like, damn, that's far enough to cheat. I'm like, yeah, it is. It sure the fuck is. I was on some wild shit. She was gangster than a motherfucker too. I liked her a little bit. So I did. I liked it. She be watching my shit. I shouldn't have said that. But whatever, that shit old. Yo, I'm gonna keep doing shit like this, dog. Just start talking about all type of like random shit for real. I've been holding this blunt for like fucking 20 minutes.
I don't